The COVID-19 pandemic certainly put a focus on the importance of washing our hands. But in today's Your Healthy Family, with life basically back to normal and all of us back to our day-to-day activities, it's important frequent hand washing is still a priority.
One time through ABC or Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
At the beginning of the pandemic, hand washing improved a lot. I think that over time, as people have gotten used to being in the pandemic, that probably has decreased.
And Brian Nepper, the infection prevention manager at UC Health in Colorado, says just because COVID is no longer a public health emergency doesn't mean we should be slowing down on our hand washing.
Hand washing is as important as it has ever been, because viruses and bacteria are still around. Even though the COVID pandemic is continuing to evolve, there are still a lot of viruses and bacteria that are out there, and a lot of them like to live on surfaces.
He says regular hand washing can help us avoid many common illnesses.
Influenza. That's one thing that people usually think about being transmitted by coughing or sneezing or respiratory, but it does like to live on surfaces. So you can pick it up from touching a doorknob and then touching your face, rubbing your eyes. Other things that you can pick up from surfaces when your hands aren't clean are what we call GI bugs, or the stomach flu is another name for it, norovirus. They cause vomiting and other unpleasant things that you really don't want, and they spread really easily from person to person from touching surfaces and then not washing your hands in between.
And coming up in tomorrow's Your Healthy Family, he's showing us the proper technique for washing your hands that he teaches hospital workers and how often you should be washing your hands. For Your Healthy Family, I'm Lisa Greenberg.